Come guys, I'm taking you along with me. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel back again. So today, yesterday we went Badrinath and then Mana village, and today we are here in Joshimath and we are at this temple called Narsingh Devta. We did darshan. I couldn't show you the inside view because camera wasn't allowed inside. So yeah, we are done with our darshan. So now we're clicking pictures and then we'll be heading some other place. I have no clue, so I'll tell you when I reach there. I'll show you everything and have a look around. हाय, इधर इधर देखो, कहाँ जा रहे हो? So finally we are about to reach Chopta, and Chopta is hardly 8 to 10 kilometers away from this place. We have stopped here to have a lunch and look at this place. How beautiful is this, and it's so clean and green, and these mountains are so lush green. I'm just loving my time here. Also, I'm very excited because I'm traveling to Chopta for the very first time. So let's just go and explore the unseen. Hi, welcome to Chopta. तो ये है चोपता, जिसे मिनी स्विट्जरलैंड भी कहा जाता है। अगर आप सर्दियों में यहाँ आएंगे तो आपको शायद और ज़्यादा पसंद आएगी। हम यहाँ समर्स में आए तो यहाँ पे कोविड का टाइम है, लॉकडाउन है, तो नो पीपल कैन बी सीन हियर एंड दैट्स द प्लस पॉइंट फॉर मी बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ नज़ारा चाहिए था, बिल्कुल हरा भरा साफ और खाली खाली सा and it's really beautiful and you must visit as well. And we are having super fun and I love how my hair is looking today. Woo! Like literally I used to sit and think about visiting something like this place, and I'm here today. Nobody's here, it's all empty, clean, peace and serene beauty, and I'm loving it. I can chill, relax, so I'm loving it. Can you see me? I'm walking down there. Oh my god, I wish I could live here like for 3-4 days. Wish we could camp here. Come guys, I'm taking you along with me. Woo-hoo. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. और यहाँ पे हमारे साथ गौ माता भी है। हाँ, क्या हुआ? So this was Chopta you all, and I'm gonna visit this place once again because I didn't get to visit Tungnath, Chandrashila and many more places. I'll make sure that I visit again, experience all of it once again. As for now, we are heading back to Agastya Muni where we have been staying from last 6-7 days, and we'll be heading back home on 1st of October. And this mountain that you are able to see, ये पहाड़ है केदारनाथ का, और केदारनाथ इज़ वेरी वेरी नियर अगस्त्य मुनि से. इट्स हार्डली 54 किलोमीटर्स. तो आई वॉज टेलिंग मम्मी को कि मम्मा मुझे केदारनाथ भी जाना था, आप लोग मुझे ले नहीं गए. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं यहाँ भी जाऊँ. Hi guys, so I am currently in Dhanolti and today we are going back home from Agastya Muni, and we'll reach home maybe within 3-4 hours. And also today's birthday of my niece Vinaya. She turned 1 today. Wish I could be with her to celebrate this special day, her first birthday. And I hope that next year we'll be able to celebrate it together. And right now we are plucking beans. अभी आपको बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से सब्जियों को तोड़ा जाता है, क्या क्या चीज़ें दिमाग में रखना ऐसे प्लक किया और ऐसे डाला. एंड लुक एट द व्यू गाइस. ये है धनौल्टी का खूबसूरत सा नज़ारा, और मेरे पेरेंट्स हर बार यहाँ रुकते हैं. यहाँ पे एक बूढ़ी ग्रैंडमा रहती है और वो हमेशा रुक के उनसे मिल के उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ भेंट दे के ही जाते हैं. और ये है विंटर लाइन, जो कि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस करना था, मुझे विटनेस करना था, और मैंने अपने नेकेड आई से पहली बार विंटर लाइन एक्सपीरियंस किया और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही खुश हूँ इसे देख के. एंड इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन इट येट सो प्लीज़ डू कम. मसूरी इज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू. दिस पपी, it also belongs to that grandma only, और I was playing with him from दूर से, क्योंकि मुझे डर है कि किसी दिन कहीं कोई कुत्ता मुझे काट ना दे. तो I prefer to stay away and play from दूर से ही. So finally we are on our way back to home and we'll reach within 2 hours. And look at this night view, how amazing it is looking, especially this moon shining brightly in the sky. So this was it. Here we end Uttarakhand series, and I hope you all loved it. If you are new to my channel, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also choose to comment down below and let me know if I go wrong somewhere. And later that evening we celebrated Vinay's birthday. Thank you once again. See you soon. Good luck.